Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rayalyn, your science teacher. For today's lesson, we will be studying about water cycle. Before we proceed, let us first discuss the vocabulary words. The first word is water cycle. Water cycle means the cycle of evaporation and condensation that involves the continuous circulation of water. Example sentence: water on earth is continuously going around from the land to the sky and back again. This process is called water cycle. The next word is precipitation. This means any moisture that falls from the sky to the ground. Example sentence: rain is a form of precipitation. The third word is transpiration. Transpiration is the process of losing water from a plant through its surface. Example sentence: plants lose water from their leaves as water vapor through the process called transpiration. This time, let us discuss about water cycle. Water cycle involves the circulation of water on the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. What happens in water cycle? In water cycle, we have evaporation. It is when the heat from the sun causes water from the surface water sources like rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans to evaporate to become water vapor. Plants absorb water from the ground through their roots. Then plants lose water from their leaves as water vapor. This process is called transpiration. Animals release water in the form of water vapor to the atmosphere through breathing. Animals also sweat to regulate body temperature and urinate to remove excess water from their bodies. The water from the sweat and urine evaporate to become water vapor. As the water vapor in the atmosphere rises, it cools and turns into tiny water droplets by condensation. The tiny water droplets combine to form clouds. The clouds become heavy when there are too many water droplets. When that happens, the water droplets fall back to the earth due to gravity in the form of rain. In cold places, the water droplets fall as snow. This is called precipitation. The water falls through the rivers into the lakes, seas, and oceans. Snow and glaciers melt and flow into rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. Due to gravity, the water from the land surface seeps into the ground and becomes groundwater. Groundwater also seeps into the rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. The whole cycle will repeat itself. And that is about the water cycle. For your activity, answer workbook pages 95 to 96, activity number 3, letters A, B, and C. And that will be all for today.